boom ba, boom ba, boom boom ba, hey boom ba, boom. Thank you so much. It's great to be here. Really great to be here. We've loved our time in Dubai so far. It's an honor to be here representing New Zealand. Kia ora, great to see you. I'm playing some songs from a new album at the moment, which will come out sometime next year. This song is called The Way We Were. Is this the way we fall out of love? Is this the way we say it's enough? No drama, no explain, no throwing hands up in the air, no arrival at the end. Is this the time you try to tell the truth? You say it's me, I say it's not about you. No cause, no accident, no harm and no exodus, no taking back what I say. The end never comes like you thought it would. I've been trying to hold tight to something good. Is it the point of no return? 'Cause I miss the way we were. I miss that way we were. Out of sight, out of mind, inside of my head. Did I run out of time to tell you I care? I had a vision somewhere it took a turn. Now I miss the way we were. I miss that way we were. I miss that way we were. Sing it. I miss that way we were. I miss that way we were. Is this the taste you leave on my tongue after everything is said and left undone? No touch, no hand in mine. These days I just can't decide if you were ever really mine. Is this the place you held me and said, go count the ways I love you? And remember I did. Two star-crossed lonely fools, killing late night in swimming pools. Time went from so kind to so cruel. Thank you. All right, we're going to take it back to a song from my last album. It's called Past Love. Ooh, oh, yeah. Oh, hey, baby. I don't feel the same. Took all I could take. Hey, rapture, find me now. I said I didn't mind while you stripped all my pride. 'Cause good love morn. I was feeling something's wrong. Time take me, I'm moving on. Yeah, the night won't let me sleep. Wish these days of the week would fade out for me. Broken limbs, for bones I owe. Now every word I wanna say I swallow. We shot high and backfired, but deep inside you cling to every flame. Past life, come back to yourself. Don't keep reaching out to him. He can't help you now. It's a past life, so come back to the time. It's been far too many nights and just stay crying. Past life, come back to yourself. Don't keep reaching out him. He can't help you now. It's like a past life, so come back to the time. It's been far too many nights and just stay. All you do is cry. 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 Past life, come back to yourself. Don't keep reaching out to him. He can't help you now. It's like a past life, so come back to the time. It's been far too many nights and just stay crying. Hey, yeah. Thank you so much. So this next song, I'm really excited about it because I just shot a music video for it in Iceland. Did anyone visit the Iceland Expo Pavilion? I actually didn't, but I wish I did now that I think about it. It was a really amazing experience, and this song really means a lot to me. It's called Save Me. I'm the accident waiting to happen. It's just a matter of time. Back of the car again, wondering why I got so determined to say I lack the courage to take care of myself. Well, ain't that a turn on, babe? Turn this car around. I need somebody to hold me when the morning comes. Oh, save me. I'm sinking into my feelings and I'm scared they're gonna drown my confidence. Come and save me. I might look capable, but I'm not. These days you're all that I got. I'm the acrobat turning around inside of that circuitry mind. offers. I don't wanna come out until you make me feel alive. You see, I've got the money to take care of myself, but I spend my time on suffering. Just this time around, I need your body if only when the morning comes. So much I can't stand it. Got a new habit. Keep running back to you, so attractive. Get me a true addict. All of your kisses, gotta have them. I don't understand it, but I don't ever wanna break the pattern. 'Cause you're my new habit. You know, I gotta have it. I ain't mad at it. 'Cause you know, my new habit is you. Even if I could. Hey, Is it a bad cycle to need your love for my survival? A downward spiral. Keep taking candy from you like a child. So much passion, the passion is taking action. It's a circular reaction. You're my new fashion, we take it ice cold. Baby, you're the kind of jam that never gets old. You're my new habit. You know, I gotta have it. I ain't mad at it. 'Cause you know, my new habit is you. New habit. You know, I gotta have it. I ain't mad at it. 'Cause you know, my new habit is you. Tell me, do you feel it too? If only the habit of loving you would it feel like I want to? Ooh, tell me why can't you try? I don't wanna play the fool for you, but I'll do what I have to do. Tell me why can't you try? I don't wanna play the fool for you, but I'll do what I have to do. 'Cause you're my new habit. See, I know, I gotta have it. I know, I gotta have it. Movies to play in my mind, drunk on your touch like a moth to the fire. I don't wanna be followed around, torn up. I don't wanna feel nothing without you around. What's going on right now? Next stop, I'm doing what you put in my head. Can't stop. See you trigger my freeze or fight or flight. I can rewind or fast forward in time. I'm running circles like a muse with no head. Nothing beautiful is yet to be spared. All I see, all that stays, pictures of us on replay. All I see is all that pain, pictures of us on replay. I'm role play, smile and wave, say that I'm fine, make an ally of the sun so I can stay in the light. But I don't want the dark to sneak up like a spy. See what you've done, I can't sleep through the night. I don't want to be caught in the crossfire of your love. Woo! I don't want to feel nothing without you around. Listen, all I see, all that stays, pictures of us on replay. All I see is all that pain, pictures of us on replay. On replay, 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 on Yay, thank you. Give it up for my band, right? Killing it. Woo! So this next song is, it's called Personal Space. And I found it an interesting concept to talk about after, our pandemic and everything we've been through, all the ways that we've had to reassert our boundaries and understand our personal space. At one point, I wasn't sure if it was meaningful anymore to our culture, but I think it's maybe more meaningful than ever. I hope you enjoy it. I hope it resonates with you. Closer than close, every waking moment in each other's arms and hands. Nighttime repose, but I'm still awake, dreaming. Hope that you'll understand. It's been a long time since I've been in my very own skin, I admit it. I'm feeling like I might need a minute. Oh, it's been a good while, I'm forgetting, 'cause I don't think I had time to sit in it and make sure that it's all I've been waiting for. You're all that I do.